Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Enjooooyyy, but you can call me Zippy. You're gone now. Will you call me back? So in today's video, as you've seen from the title, we're going to discuss the starter kit of a natural hair journey. So in case you're out there, you're wondering where to start, and you want to start your natural journey, and you keep wondering, where do I start, what do I get, what do I not get, this is the video for you, because here I'm going to tell you the basics, the literal basics that you can get, that you can afford, that you need before you advance into the next level of your natural hair journey. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Enjooooyyy. Feel free to set out the vibe. If you like what you see, please subscribe over here, like this video, and also share it with friends, and that would have done me a very big favor. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. I have been natural for 2 years now, 2.5 years now if I'm being specific, and I wanted to make this video when I know what I'm telling you. You know, I needed to experience it myself firsthand before I come out here and tell you what you need. This 2.5 years I've tried stuff, some didn't work, some worked. I stick to those that worked, I dropped those that didn't work. I've unlearned stuff, a lot of stuff. I've unlearned a lot of stuff. I've learned new stuff. I'm going to give you a very detailed information, the very basics that you need to start your natural hair journey. Shampoos. So you need a shampoo to clean your hair, and it could come in any form. It could be a bar soap, it could be the normal ones that are in jars and you press or you pour it on your hands, the liquidy one. It could be a clarifying shampoo. Any kind of shampoo would work. Please don't wash your hair with soap bars that are for washing clothes or washing utensils or washing any other thing that's not hair, you know. Also don't use medicated soaps, because they strip out the moisture out of your hair, leaving your hair so dry, like really dry. So please get you a shampoo, and let it not have those sulfates, parabens, everything that, you know, is not good for your hair. Please let it be written on the shampoo itself, no parabens, no evil. So yeah, get that shampoo for yourself, and that would be the first thing that you need to start your journey. Conditioners or deep conditioners. Start by getting a conditioner first, then you can advance to get a deep conditioner, because in any case you would need a conditioner in every wash, but you don't need a deep conditioner in every wash. So you need a conditioner to help you, to give you sleep when you want to detangle your hair, when you're washing it, when you're in that process of washing your hair. You need to apply that conditioner so that it gives you sleep, so that you do not get a lot of breakage when you are detangling your hair or combing out your hair. A deep conditioner, you can get it along the journey, and trust you me, it's going to take you a while to get a deep conditioner that you'll stick to. I'm still also finding one. I'm still in the journey of finding one. You can imagine, 2.5 years, and I still haven't had, you know, my deep conditioner, like this is it, you know. I haven't got to that point that I'm saying this is it, this will work for me. So it's going to take you a while, but that's okay. Treatments. So you can do DIY treatments, you can do treatments that come in bottles, you know, and this could be a mayonnaise treatment, a protein treatment, any kind of treatment, you know, depending on the state of your hair. And I really do advise people to do treatments, because it boosts, you know, it boosts your hair shine, it boosts your hair strength, it boosts everything for your hair. It just makes your hair happier. So yeah, please do treatments. I think the most basic treatments are the DIY treatments, because it could be an egg or an avocado or both, or a banana. It could be anything, you know, and that would really take you a step further in taking care of your hair. So please do not forget treatments. And treatments, please do them once in a month. Do not do them like every day or every wash day you're there applying avocado on your hair. Please don't do that. Just once in a month is enough, or maybe once in 2 months, even 3 months, it's okay. Especially the protein treatment. Please don't overdo the protein treatment, because it will give you protein overload, and that is something you do not want. Tools. So you need some tools to help you manage your hair, to help you keep your hair detangled when it's detangled. And some of these tools include afro combs, brushes, rattle comb, detangling brushes, mirrors, and even bobby pins. And the reason why I'm putting them all in a list is because you need at least one of each. So you need an afro comb to maybe style when you want to style your hair. You need a brush. I don't have a brush, so I don't think you need a brush, because I've never really used a brush on my hair. So brush, maybe if you want to, a detangling brush. You know, there are those brushes that detangle your hair. you'd get one. A rattle comb, I think you do need a rattle comb because of styling also. A detangling brush, that please do get a detangling brush because that's what you're going to be using. But if you've decided that you're going to be a natural who detangles with fingers only, that's okay also. Finger detangling does also work. You need a mirror obviously, and bobby pins. And bobby pins really do help. Like, they come in handy. If you do not have bobby pins, there's no way you're going to style your hair. Like, literally there's no way you are going to style your hair unless you're just doing, you know, a ponytail. But then if your hair is not long enough, how then are you going to do a ponytail? So yeah, you do need bobby pins. Spray bottle. So you're going to need a spray bottle because your hair needs moisture, and moisture is water. I've said that like so many times. You can improvise one, or you can just get one from the supermarket or a retail shop. They're all over, they're everywhere. The one that I'm using currently, I got it from the supermarket, but the one that I started my journey with, I had improvised it. I improvised it because my budget didn't allow me to get one of those from the supermarkets, and it did work for me. It worked for me and it was all good, except for the branding. You know, the branding is just there sufficient. So I got the need to get one from the supermarket that is branded, more of hair and stuff like that, because it has little combs and little scissors and whatever. Oils. So there's a lot of oils in the market. Like, there are so many oils in the market, so many products za mafuta in the market, and it's going to take you some time to get, you know, your to-go oil. But I already have my to-go oil, and it's coconut oil and amla hair oil. So these two, I use them interchangeably, or sometimes I even mix the two and just use it on my hair, and it still works for me. The basic aspect of an oil is to lock in moisture, so probably maybe any oil could do, you know, as long as it's not forming build-up for you, or as long as it's not itching your scalp later on after you've used it. So yeah, basically any oil could do. If you are a grease person, grease is also solid oil. Maybe I'd advise that you get Blue Magic, because I've tried Blue Magic, and not being a grease person, I did like it. Yeah, so if you are a grease person, if that's your to-go type of oil, please do get a Blue Magic. It's actually quite affordable, and it's a big bottle, so it will take you some time to, you know, finish it. Please do get yourself an oil to lock in the moisture that you are putting on your hair using water. Satin bonnet or a satin pillowcase. I can never say this enough, but you need a satin bonnet for your hair before you go to sleep, and sometimes even when you're around in the house. I put on mine in the house just so that when I'm on the seat or when I'm doing something, I'm not putting a lot of tension or a lot of friction on my hair, so that my hair does not get to break. So if you're not getting a satin bonnet, then do get a satin pillowcase, because, you know, because of sleeping on it. Don't use cotton pillowcases or any other material kind of pillowcases. Please just get a satin one, and it would really help. Like, you'll see a lot of difference in your hair. A towel or an old t-shirt. After washing your hair, you definitely need to dry it, and I use an old t-shirt, any old t-shirt that is just hanging around. But there are these towels that are sold, not the normal towels for our bodies, because those ones, they have like a lot of, the material is tough, na hizo vitu zenye zimetoka toka, they form a lot of friction on your hair, which could lead to breakage, and you want to stay on top of breakage. So there are these other towels that are sold, and then they have a button up hivi nyuma, so you wrap it on your hair and you tie it behind here, so it gives you also, like, it's secure. So like, it gives you a firm and secure, you know, it won't come out, like you're sure that it's not going to come out. And I've looked for these towels for some time now. If you know, by the way, where I can get a towel like that one, please leave in the comment section down below. I do need that towel so that I can experience it. But basically, you need an old t-shirt to dry your hair out when you come out of the shower. Scrunchies. So scrunchies are also known as hair bands, and I would advise that you get a satin scrunchie, but ata mi sina, so I'm still also looking for one, because easy hairbands zingine, if you're keen enough, you'd notice even when you take out your hairband. If you have a look at your hairband right now, you'll see that there's a lot of hair on that hairband, so it brings about a lot of breakage. That's why I'm advising that you get a satin a Satin scrunchie, because that would really help. If you know where I can find one, please leave in the comment section down below. Heating cup or shower cup or plastic bag, you need one of these because of the treatment that we talked about earlier. When you do a treatment, you definitely want to wear a heating cup. A heating cup goes for 1,000 Kenyan shillings, but if you cannot get it now, because I also don't have it, you can improvise your own and be using plastic bags. You can wear 2 plastic bags. You can actually even wrap your hair with those plastic papers that people wrap fruits with, or food, when food is ready and then they put it on top of the food. Yeah, you can also use that, because the idea here is to trap moisture, and any of those plastic bags or plastic caps, they can all do. But you do not need a shower cap to wear in the shower, because why when water is everything for your hair? Why? So that's it. Those are the 10 things that you need. That's basically it. Like, these are just basic stuff that you need to start off. This is what will kick you off in your journey. This is not complicated. I believe it's simple. It's something that you can get yourself. It's something that it's easy, and you already know the purpose. This time I got a certain product and I didn't even know what to do with it. And I mean, if someone had told me not to get it in the first place, probably I wouldn't have. So they would have saved me that. But now, I had to learn on my own. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's basically it. Imagine that's all that you need. Imagine that's all that you need. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.